Sup YouTube, it's your boy Tweet, and welcome back to a brand new video. Now let me ask you a question. GT Super Saiyan 3 Goku, can I draw that? And if I did, how would that look? And that's what we're here to find out. Let's get started. Now, just for a quick reminder before the video begins, this is not that type of video where I will be doing commentary. I will let the video play on its own, but definitely will come back at the end to show you guys and talk to you guys about the final results and everything like that. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and tell you guys, go ahead and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the masterpiece I done put in, because I done put in some work on this video, like no cap. And when I tell y'all this goes hard, it's too fire. Just editing me, play the clip, no more talking.
For me, there's a better path to power. It's not love. It's fury! I will not let you destroy my world!
So, final result. Let's talk about it real quick. GT Super Saiyan 3 Goku was actually so chill and laid back. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't too challenging. GT Super Saiyan 3 Goku was actually the most, to be honest, chill, laid back drawings I've done in a really long time. Like, I wasn't really necessarily worried about a challenge that I had to complete. All I know, if you do like this video and you do want to see more videos drop like this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Go ahead and Shinobi strike that like button down below. And if this is your first time on my video, you know what I'm saying, you just randomly scroll down and found my content somehow, and you want to stick around and see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first one to know about my notifications. That way you can be the first one after me under the comment section, because I'm always be first. Now, if you can beat me, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and do that. Let's see what you got. But just know, I'm gonna be first. But no, seriously, I really did enjoy this drawing, and I did love filming it as much as I did editing it. Like, it was really fun. And I really enjoyed myself coloring, inking, drawing, just this whole piece in general, I enjoyed creating. But nonetheless, that's gonna be it for today's video. I do apologize because I thought I had more too. But we gotta wait until next week because I got something for y'all next week. But until then, as I always say, peace and sayonara.